advice ay ipakat muna natin yung buhok niyan ko. Again. Ito yung nahihirapan ko. Yung buhok niya, guys. Kung, ano ba ito na buhok? Wow, this is so I think this is her. It's too late. Let's put this on her. Okay. Paano natin to i-ano, kung nakahiga ka lang. Wait. Oh, it's still wet. It's okay. It's okay, it's good, it's good. Wow, she is so beautiful. That. So it doesn't even reveal what we got. We got ambot. Sino kaya siya? Sino kaya siya? Ito na yung boots. Ay, hands pa.